Okay, guys, so now I'm going to show you some formatting for pages. So again, this is the formatting that you should be using for your rough drafts that you are all working on. It should give you an idea of what it looks like, even if yours looks a little different because you're using your iPad, okay? So I have a blank document open on Pages. This is the default settings that occur. Okay, so we're going to change our spacing to double. We're going to change our font to Times New Roman. I want all of you to write in Times New Roman. We're going to change it to 12 instead of 11. And then in document, we're going to make sure that our margins are all set to 1 inch, which they are, so they should be for you as well. Okay. For headers and footers, instead of match previous section, we are going to choose hide on first page of section because our last name and page number do not need to be on the first page. So now we should be good to go. We're going to start by writing our name. Nope, can't spell my last name. So you put your name, you put my name, you put the class, and then the due date. Again, not the due date. It will be in 2 weeks, but I just am using that for now. Hit enter one more time. Go back to not document, apparently. Oh, no, wait. Format. I'm sorry. I don't use Pages, so this is new for me too. All right, so in format, then you will choose the center alignment to put your title. Again, looks the same as the rest of your font. Hit enter one more time, and then go back and align to the left, and then this is where you'll put your introduction. I'm going to hit enter one more time again to show you the spacing. Hit tab to indent a 1/2 inch again. So you're pretending like that's the end of your introduction paragraph. And then that's where your first body paragraph starts. So notice again, margins are all set to 1 inch. Everything is evenly double spaced. There's no extra spaces anywhere. I'm going to enter down so that you can see the heading with the last name and page number. Okay, so to insert that, then you'll click up here. Now, when I click in there, you can just choose insert page number, and then it'll ask, what you want it to look like. So you're going to pick 2, and then in front of it, you're going to write your last name, space, and you're going to change the font to Times New Roman so that it matches. There it is. Okay. And then you'll notice it does not show up here on the first page, and it should not because your name is already here. So you're not putting your last name and page number on the first page. It should just start with the second, and then it'll also be on the third and fourth, as many pages as you have. So I think that should be good for formatting on Pages. Again, guys, if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I will help you the best that I can. Happy writing!